everyone. So it's a beautiful morning here, which my shirt says, with these beautiful cute kittens. What a beautiful morning. So it's a beautiful morning, and we all love beautiful things. So what makes us stop to get beautiful things, or happiness, or the pleasure which we're looking for from our life, from our surrounding, from our loved ones, from our work environment, from our anything we do? So we look for many things, but we do not believe in many things. So it makes us want it, but same time we believe that we cannot get it. So what happens is, it's slow the process, because we are pushing our thoughts behind by saying to ourselves that I cannot get this, I should have this, or I want this, but I cannot have it. Why we cannot have it? Because we are saying to ourselves before we are wishing for it. So meaning to say, in my life, what I have been experiencing from quite some time, that when I wish for something and I keep wishing for that particular thing, and I keep thinking about it, that I will get it, get it done, and I will have it. So I get it, I have it, and I get it done, the thing. How? I don't know, because this belief in me is changing my life like anything. Because previously I used to talk a lot myself, where I used to push all the good stuff, all the good meaning of getting something or having it with me. So I used to talk a lot. Okay, to get this, I have to do this, I have to do that. Okay, never mind, it's fine. I could not have it at this point of time. It's impossible, or something like that. So since I started thinking that I'm getting it, I will get it, I'm nearly there, and I'm getting it. In fact, I know there is nothing, but I keep on saying myself that I'm getting it, and that's how I get it done. So meaning to say that we should believe in our wishes, and we should keep believing on it. We should not just to think for a while and leave it like that, but we have to keep on thinking and keep on wishing and keep on believing that we definitely gonna get it very soon. So this will happen very soon. Trust me, you can try, and then let me know if it works for you. But for me, it is working very well, because I always think from my past experiences, where my brain was tied up with multiple thinkings, overthinkings, a lot of stuff in my mind, and every single thing I used to think like too much about it. Like I used to make myself like too tangled for that. So since I have taken away all those doubts and all those impossibilities from there, and I left it all to the Creator who made us, He will certainly gonna help. So this thing working very well, and I'm getting what I am wishing for. So the most important thing is peace of mind, because I was looking badly for that, and I got one, and I'm very, very, very happy and calm for anything. And I think about getting something, I think from that calmer mind. I'm not thinking from my restless mind, I'm not thinking from my rushing mind, or my infected overthinking mind. So this is working very well. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be keep making more, so we will be enjoy a lot. Be happy and think positive.